Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited, and this is in a beautiful sand pearl and canyon brown pearl. Taller tinted windshield. I'd say that's about a medium tint, and it does kind of kick forward a little bit. Beautiful rims. We also have dual disc braking with ABS. ABS is front and rear. We've got the lower fairings and the highway pegs so you can stretch out. All the chrome on here is beautiful, and this is the 103 cubic inch engine. We do have the Vance & Hines exhaust on this bike. Tour pack is also just as beautiful as the rest of the bike, and it has the luggage rack on top with the shorty antennas. Those are really nice. Passenger backrest has the speakers. We also have a rider backrest, floorboards for both the passenger and the rider has the heel toe shifter. We also have heated grips. Beautiful dash. Nice little compartments to keep things like phone charger, garage door opener. And the miles on this bike are low. We are at 12,866. That is all. So again, this is a 2014 Electra Glide Ultra Limited. Come check it out. It is beautiful, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.